So as we're heading down towards Almeria, we stopped off to get some petrol at a petrol station here. And what's really confusing is on the street it gives a price of 126.9 per litre, but when you actually come into the petrol station and fill up, they charge you on the pump 129.9 cents per litre. So there's a 3 cent difference. Come clear. Clearer.
Well, what's the expression? As clear as mud. With my very broken Spanish, I've established that the machine will do 78.17 euros for our petrol, but next to the pump there is a sign that says ahora, which means, I think means
3 cents.
At this time, it says minus 3 centimes. So, from what I understand is they're doing a promotion at the moment, and the sign on the road is electronically controlled from the shop, so they're able to do that. So good job! We got a sale! Woohoo!
At first I didn't think about it. At first I thought whatever, yeah.
So as we're heading south towards Almeria, or Almeria, whichever way you pronounce it, there is a sea of plastic polytunnels. The south of Spain is famous for farming and growing many of the things like tomatoes we get back in the UK. And there is literally acre upon acre upon acre of polytunnels growing food.
Yeah. I'll let you take my breath away. Pick me up like you're my aeroplane.
So we're off on a little hunt to try and find a supermarket open. We're not sure if the festival that was back at La Manga,
Halloween.
whether it's still whether it's a national thing, or but the supermarkets we went to earlier are closed, so we're going to give it another go. So we've got the sat nav on and straight over, sorry, and we found a supermarket about 3 miles away, so fingers crossed we can get some food and maybe some beer for tonight. It would be marvellous. So the supermarket we were just looking at is actually closed, and we just asked a local guy and he said follow me with his daughter, so we're following their car. The beauty of travel. So we managed to get beer, bread, crisps,
and some sweets.
And Marianne's bought some naughty sweets for when she gets low blood sugars and gets hangry.
Nobody wants Marianne with low blood sugars.
Exactly. So that's it. So we're all loaded up now, so we can head off.
Still the bread, it's warm.
So we're refueled and we're off to our parking space that we found online. Half an hour to go, so let's go and relax. roads are getting a little bit more narrow with a very big drop on the side. Oh my lord. If you're scared of heights, don't come up these roads, but the view is absolutely amazing. So yeah, definitely worth a trip up here. So we ended up sleeping at this great spot overlooking Almeria in the distance. So we met a lovely group of young Spanish guys yesterday, and Patrik, the Terminator from Australia, you can see his van behind me. He turned up again yesterday because he's also following the coastline down through Spain. So that's really nice to see him again. So we just hung out, had a few beers and enjoyed the beautiful scenery that there is here. And today we're going to go into Almeria, or Almeria, which you can see in the distance behind me. And we're going to go and catch up with our friends Rocío and Javi, who we know back from the UK. They actually stayed in our house through the association HelpX, helped us with the garden and stuff, because we used to love having guys come and stay with us, meet lots of new people. And they came to the house one summer, and we haven't seen them for ages, so it's going to be really nice to catch up with these guys. Yeah, in fact our son Dan has been to see them a few times since they left, but we've never had the time to come back because we're always working, but not anymore. So yeah, we are here, and they live literally just in the town behind us. And yeah, so we're going to go and find out where they are. What's really funny is the sat nav is saying we've got about 3 miles to go to Rocío and Javi's house, and it's looking like it might be around the village where we've got the bread, where the guy showed us to the shop yesterday.
That would be hilarious.
So how funny would that be if we were already there? What's funny is it is the same village we were in yesterday. We're probably about half a mile away. We're nearly there.
It doesn't say block 2, I've just got
block 3.
Hey, where are you?
This is the crazy woman. How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm so happy to see you.
Yeah, me too.
Why are you crying, man?
I love her.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun